Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin once again. Yes, this coin have already bought billions of Terra Classic coins, and we still have about 5.9 trillion coins out there in circulation. Now, according to experts, according to statistics, Terra Classic coin can burn up to 5 trillion coins in 2 years, in 24 months. Now, I know you might be asking, how can they achieve this? Now, remember when the 1.2% tax bond was actually when they were planning to launch this, before the launching, experts believe that 1.2% tax bond is capable of burning about 10 billion to even 70 billion coins in a day. But remember, since then, Terra Classic coin have just burned 37 billion coins, and the 1.2% tax bond have not even burned up to a billion coins. But one thing you need to understand is the major reason why the 1.2% tax bond is not really burning much is because before the launch of the 1.2% tax bond, actually so many people believe that almost all the exchanges that listed Terra Classic will be burning. And since then, you can see that it is Binance that are the major people that are burning Terra Classic coin. Okay, so many exchanges are even yet to start burning, but burning 5 trillion coins in 2 years, in 24 months, wow! It is possible that Terra Classic can destroy such number of coins within the space of 2 years. Now, what you need to understand is that for Terra Classic to burn this, okay, now if Binance, if you take a look at Terra Classic daily volume, okay, sometimes Terra Classic control almost $400 million worth of $400 million Terra Classic trading volume in 24 hours alone. So if Terra Classic can control such, and then by the time this coin will increase, and let's say the volume now hit about 1 billion in a single day, Terra Classic will be burning millions and millions of Terra Classic coin that day, because the 1.2% will be charged whether you're buying or whether you're selling. Now, by the time you bring in Binance, you bring in Kucoin, Crypto.com, Get.io, and almost so many exchanges have listed this coin. Imagine when the trading is going on, people are buying, holders are buying every day, and the market cap now hit almost $2 to $3 billion in a single day. I mean, market cap of the trading volume hit about $2 to $3 billion. Then expect Terra Classic to burn billions of Terra Classic coins in a single day. Okay, yes, Terra Classic might be burning billions of Terra Classic coins in a single day, because that is a huge amount of money. That is a huge amount of money. Now, Terra Classic, I believe 5 trillion coins in 2 years is possible if all these exchanges will join the burning. 5 trillion coins will definitely push Terra Classic to hit almost $1 or even $1. Imagine destroying 5 trillion coins of LUNC coin. Then I think the price of Terra Classic should be hitting towards $1. Now, holders then will be celebrating. The major plan for Terra Classic this year is to get this coin to hit 1 cent or 10 cents. But of course, everyone believes that if you keep working hard, there is a possibility that Terra Classic can hit up to 10 cents or $1. And the only way they can really achieve such high price is if they can destroy a lot of Terra Classic coins, and if all these exchanges will start burning Terra Classic coin. Now, I believe that even though the crypto industry have been experiencing a lot, we are hoping to see people start supporting cryptocurrency this year. We're happy, even though Elon Musk have been supporting cryptocurrency, though we know he has been mostly supporting Dogecoin, and I know that this year he also promised to keep supporting cryptocurrency, and we are hoping to see if he might accept cryptocurrency, one of his companies. He loves companies, so imagine him coming to support. And even if you accept Dogecoin have also gained a lot of increase in price because of Elon Musk. Now imagine, right now Terra Classic have got the support of the Binance founder CZ have been supporting this coin massively. So I believe that if you can get more companies, more industries, more e-commerce sites, companies coming in to support cryptocurrency, we are going to see a very high increase in price. And I believe that Terra Classic, gradually we are going to burn billions of Terra Classic in a single day. Very soon we see Terra Classic. We'll be talking about Terra Classic. I've already destroyed 2 trillion, 3 trillion. So we're hoping for that to come, and I'm hoping that every Terra Classic holder will also be happy, will be smiling very soon. I hope this year becomes one of the best year for us, for all Terra holders, for all Terra community. So I want to use the opportunity to say shout out to Terra Classic community that have been doing well. You guys are wonderful, and we keep hoping that this coin will continue to increase in price. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.